Well, what is my project today? As you can see, it probably has something to do with this stovetop. And these are gas burners. Okay, here's the tops of them. These two are missing, and this one's missing the actual little cap. Like that too. What's going on here? Well, that's what this video is about. I'm going to show you how to clean these. See how nice and clean they are? None of those little black marks and stuff on there. Well, Motha had the idea, and she read it on the internet. She tried it before, and I made a video of that. Now I'm making another video of this because they had gotten little black marks on them, you know, from when you're cooking and stuff. And she was in the process of cleaning them, and now I'm going to finish it off. It's the next day, and what you got to do is you got to leave these overnight. See this? Here's one of them with the cap, and it's in a gallon container Ziploc bag. Here's the other one. This one I had just redone and cleaned, and this is the one I cleaned right here. See how nice and clean that is? I mean, I don't think you're going to see one black speck on it. Make sure you do the back sides too. And I did, and I'm going to show you one of those right now. Well, she used ammonia, and you can get this anywhere. I think she got this one at Walmart. Just clear ammonia, all-purpose cleaner, and she only used a little bit. See, you put a little bit in each one of these, and the idea is you leave it overnight, and the fluid isn't the thing that actually cleans this, it's the fumes. It's the fumes of this. That's why you have to keep it in a sealed bag, and you leave it overnight. The fumes loosens up all of the little black marks. Now there's not a whole lot of black marks, but see, here's some right there. Let's go ahead and I'll get that one out. Okay? And before I do that, that's the preview of this video. If you want to see me clean these, stick around.